Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a vertical line to your Google Docs document. So let's begin the video. First open your document. Now click Insert from the top menu and then go to Drawing and click on New. A drawing window will appear. In the drawing window, click the Line tool from the toolbar. Select Line. Now click and drag from the top to the bottom to create a vertical line. To make the line perfectly straight, hold down the Shift key while dragging. You can also change the line color, width, thickness from here. Once you are happy with your line, click Save and Close. And there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.